comes to me, first thing that I see is our farm by the river with the watermill. I hear the birds sing in the old oak tree. It's like they sing for me, I hope they always will. I hear the cockerel's crow call to me now to get out of my bed somehow and do my chores around the farm. It's getting harder with long hours now, and Father never knew quite how we managed to fill the barn. He worked his body to the bone, but he could never satisfy King John. It's hard to hear the birds sing when you're working for the greedy king. I've grown since the spring, I think that I've had to, and it's midday now, there's so much work to do. I hear the birds sing in the old oak tree, I hope they sing for me, I really want them to. I hear my mother's voice call to me now to get on with my work somehow. We've been so sad since Father died. I'm finding it quite hard to understand how King John sold her to a man who'll make her his new bride, when she's so sad inside. But life goes on, and we will never satisfy King John. It's hard to hear the birds sing when you're working for the greedy king. And all this greed because King John must fund his wars until they're won. We will be dancing to his tune. And his sheriffs say we must work every day, and we are striving to catch the moon. Evening time has come, the sun is going down on our farm by the river with the watermill. I don't hear the birds sing in the old oak tree. It's gone, you see, burned upon the hill. If I could hear my father's voice call to me now, he'd say, see to your plough, the fields are wild and overgrown. And as I watch my mother's husband work our farm into the ground, I think we'd be better on our own. But with King John on the throne, all that's good will soon be gone, for we will never satisfy King John. It's hard to hear the birds